Hello everyone, welcome to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to block someone on Twitch. So let's get into the video. First, logged into your Twitch. Now what you are going to do is search for the person you want to block. Once you have found the person, click on the three dots here. Now go for report. Now you can choose why you want to report this person. Now here, write down in the description box. Now submit report button. Now click block. So that's how you can block someone on Twitch. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.